Hey everyone! Today we're exploring TuriX AI, a powerful AI digital worker for Windows and Mac. This tool lets your computer perform tasks automatically, just by typing or speaking instructions. In this video, I'll show you the complete installation and usage process on Windows with real demonstrations. Once you have the TuriX setup file, double-click to run it. The installation wizard will appear. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and choose your installation folder. Then, click Install. The process will finish in just a few minutes. Once it's done, click Finish and open TuriX. You'll see the main dashboard ready to use. Here's a quick overview of the TuriX interface. There's the input box where you type or speak commands. The task history shows all completed actions. The app integration panel lets you connect apps without APIs. And in settings, you can customize AI behavior, enable voice commands, or set up MCP integration. Some key features include talking to your computer and watching it work, connecting apps without any API setup, a state-of-the-art CUA model on Mac, an MCP-ready integration with Claude AI. TuriX's goal is simple: free your hands and let you work faster and smarter. Let's try a task.
I want to organize my desktop files by date, open Chrome, and search for the best food in the world. I type, organize my desktop files by date, open Chrome, and search best food in the world. TuriX immediately starts working. It neatly arranges my desktop files into date-wise folders, launches Chrome, and searches for the best food in the world. Everything happens automatically, without any manual effort. Notice how smoothly it handles multiple tasks across different applications at the same time.
Next,
Now let me show you something cool. Imagine you don't touch the video player at all. You just give one simple instruction. Open VLC Player, play my video from desktop, pause when needed, stop it, and take a snapshot on desktop. Here's what TuriX AI does. It opens VLC Player, accesses your video directly from the desktop, C. Uses Usman Desktop myvideo.mp4, plays the video automatically, pauses whenever you tell it to, stops the video cleanly, takes a snapshot of the video and saves it directly to your desktop. No clicks, no manual searching, no guessing where the file is. Everything happens automatically. TuriX AI follows your instructions step by step, just like magic. You're not just controlling VLC, you're telling TuriX AI exactly where the video is and what to do, and it executes it in seconds.
you can also use voice commands. For example, I say,
Search for the best mobile in the world, find the most beautiful city, or show top-rated foods. TuriX recognizes your request, performs the search, and displays the results instantly. You can also let TuriX fetch answers, highlight the most relevant information, and organize it for you automatically.
use clear and concise prompts for the best results. Check the task history to review completed actions. Enable voice commands to save even more time. And connect apps to automate tasks across multiple software platforms seamlessly. So that's the full process of installing, setting up, and using TuriX AI on Windows. It's powerful, easy to use, and can automate almost any repetitive task on your computer. Try it out and tell me in the comments which task you'd like TuriX to handle for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI productivity tutorials.